So common training issues that we see. First off, staff are unfamiliar with the building systems and equipment. The training was only done on primary equipment. Systems too complex. Why can't the system also do ... And 1 hour of training just isn't good enough. All these are very valid, and you see them from time to time. And there are ways around those. First thing you do, start early. This is something that we've focused on over the last several projects, is trying to get facility maintenance people into the project early. Like, get them in at design. Make sure that they understand the systems and equipment. Make sure they understand the sequence of operations, how that chiller is supposed to operate. How is it balanced? What is the piping scheme? Train the right people, mechanics, electricians, and controls technicians. When they say that they weren't trained properly or thoroughly enough, well, a lot of times when a guy comes in to do chiller training, he's training you, it's a chiller manufacturer representative. He's training you on how to run that chiller. Did he teach you about the electrical disconnect or the breakers, or what is the emergency shutoff? What are the shutdown procedures? Did he teach you about the control system, building automation system? What does it look like in Niagara? Probably not. All of that needs to be accounted for. Identifying capabilities and limitations of maintenance staff. We've been on a lot of trainings where they'll have an electrician show up on chiller training, which is great, except that you can't expect that guy to absorb information on chiller maintenance and retain that. He's never going to do it. He's not familiar with it. That's the whole adage, right person, wrong job, right? So you need to make sure that you have the right people there for training. Misunderstanding the original design intent. So again, this goes back to getting people on board early, right? If a chilled water plant was meant to operate at 45 degrees in the chilled water loop, you can't just crank it down to 40 and expect everything's going to be fine. It does happen where they have unreal expectations. We have seen that before, actually, where facilities have a hard time keeping the ORs cool enough or dry enough, so they decide, well, we'll just drop the chilled water loop. Well, it's only designed to go down so far, right? Continuous engagement of facility staff during construction. So this is the facilities team comes out and walks the project. We walk them through. We show them progress. We show them above ceiling and where primary equipment is, where the how the VAVs are being installed, where's the access at that equipment. So all good things. But training doesn't just happen at 1 hour at the end of the project. It has to start early, and it has to continue throughout the project.